Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to water multiple crops in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how we can water multiple crops or flowers in Heartopia, I'm going to show you how to water your crops. The basic tutorial on how to water crops. First, you're going to click on this tool icon. Then you're going to equip the watering can. And then just tap on the crop that you want to water. Oops, not like this. If you want to water a single crop, just tap on it like this guys. But if you want to water multiple crops, you're going to tap and hold. But you can only unlock the multiple crops after you reach level 3 in your gardening hobby. Okay, if you want to water multiple crops like this, just tap and hold on the crop and you're going to stay in the center like this. Okay, and the more level you reach, the more crops you can water. Now I have reached level 7 in my gardening hobby, so now I can water my crops 9 crops at once using my watering can. If you only reach level 3, you can only water 3 crops or 6 crops. I forgot. But yeah, keep leveling up your gardening hobby and then you can water 9 crops at once. Okay guys, and that's how you can water crops in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!